Good morning and welcome to Stephanie Traditional Home. I pray all of you are doing well. Be safe during this holiday season and enjoy being with your family. This is just a simple video to let you see how I made my um, centerpiece using regular glassware, and then one candle holder to uh, lift up the center glass. And then I took some garland that was already trimmed up uh, with some embellishment to complete the look. Here's the garland and the candle. To save money, DIY some simple projects such as this one, so you can get the desired look that you would like to have, and then save a little money in the process. Thank you for being here, and look out for my 3 vignette Christmas decor later today at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. May God extend His grace, His mercy, His peace, and His joy to you and yours. While you're here, will you consider subscribing, hitting the notification bell, like, and comment to join the traditional home family? To all of the family members, thank you for being here. Until next time.